As you know, I am Satish here, and today is our seminar's annual function, third annual function, and we all are celebrated here. And I really thanks to all of you to give your precious time and come here. I'm really thanks to all of you and my guests also. And so now I would like to deliver a very relevant and important speech to related our life, that is discipline. So first of all, I start with what is discipline. Discipline is something that keeps a person in control. It motivates a person to progress in life and achieve success. It is the guide that availability to direct a person on the right path. Discipline means doing anything properly and on time. With discipline, we eat our meals, brush our teeth, and go to the bed at right hours. Everyone's follow the discipline. Some people consider it's a part of their life, and some people don't. And the word discipline comes from the word disciple. It means a learner. If you have to do something in any sector like sports, music, then you have to need discipline. Without discipline, you can't do anything. And if I talk about the importance of discipline, so a disciplined person can control and handle the situation in a sophisticated way that we don't. Having discipline is like having a special helper that reminds us to make some good choices. If you want to be really good at something, sport, music, or any other sector, discipline helps us to practice regularly. And moreover, if you have any plan and you want to implement in your life, then you need discipline. It makes things easy for you to bring ultimately success in your life. Without discipline, a person live like a model, dull and inactive. And discipline means what? Discipline, everyone says about that money can buy everything. But according to me, there is one thing discipline we can't buy with the help of money. Money changes everything, your behavior, your mindset. But money cannot change your discipline. You have to do work with self, that's why. And the last one, I would like to conclude that discipline is like the helpful guidance for our life. Suppose we are playing cricket, but with no rules. If someone who was on the batting, he continuously hits the ball, he has no fear of out. If someone who was on the bowling, he continuously throwing the ball, he has no fear of no ball or any other activities. So it gets me confusing. Because we all know that why we watch the cricket. Why we watch cricket? Because of interesting things, because of entertainment, and there are some nail biting moments happen in our cricket. So in this type of activities, it's not happen, then why we watch cricket? It's totally become a boring game. And as it is exactly happen in our life, in human life. If in your life there's no rules, you always be confusing for your society and for your country. But if in your life there's rules, you always be interesting for anyone, for your society. That's all.
Give a big hand for the Satish sir. It was really very relevant topic because to be a funny